Hey, how was the trip?
Views were incredible. The people were friendly.
And the client?
Oh, I left him speechless.
Who is she?
Agent Graves. She's my best. Her father worked for the agency. She was groomed since she was 18.
And her husband?
Hey, you.
I missed you.
Civilian. Doesn't know who she is. He's the only family she's got.
Honey?
You're home early, Agent Graves.
Where's my husband?
There's a file, Canary Black. You are going to steal it from the agency. If you fail, your husband dies.
Serena, it's me. I need your help.
If our enemies get their hands on this,
It starts World War III.